In this video, we're going to look into a comparison between Zapier versus n8n. So let's get started. So Zapier here, this official website, is actually a cloud-based no-code automation tool. It provides like thousands of pre-built integration, which is called like Zaps. Okay, so you can like connect common like Zap apps and automate work without much technical support or coding. You can just get it done. That's with Zapier. Whereas n8n here, okay, n8n is more of a low code or open source workflow automation platform. You can use like a hosted or a cloud version or even self-host the software on your own servers. Okay, it offers more flexibility to build complex data flows, custom logics, and connect to APIs, and also build custom nodes. The key difference between these two platforms are like Zapier is very much like beginner friendly, so much of the user interface is guided and all are like templates. You just have to simply follow it and there's not much needed to set up. It's good for like non-technical users here. Okay, and it supports like multi-step workflows, branching with less depth on custom code. Whereas n8n here, okay, it has a much steeper learning curve and it's more flexible, but it needs more technical knowledge, especially for complex workflows. And it's much more flexible. You can do full scripting using JavaScript, and it has the ability to build custom nodes, complex branching, loops, error handling, and all those things. Okay, and also you can easily integrate with APIs that are not in the library yet. So it's more of an advanced version compared to Zapier. So if you want to like have a fast setup with non-technical team and you use like common tools like Gmails, Slack, Trello, those things, and you like and you are like predictable, you want a predictable billing for low complex automations, then in that way Zapier is good enough for you. You can simply use Zapier. Whereas if you want like complex workflows with loops, conditional logic, heavy data processing, and you want like strong data privacy and the data needs to like reside on your infrastructure, on those things, more advanced stuff, then you can like go with n8n in that instance. You can do that. Okay. The only issue with these two platforms is that Zapier, the cost escalates with large and complex workflows. There's less flexibility for custom logic, and on n8n here there's a steeper learning curve and infrastructure and maintenance overhead is also there, so integrations may not be as a plug and play like in any other cases, so just need to watch that for. So if you're a small business or a solo user, you want to automate things between like Gmail, Slack, Trello, Notions with less fuss, then Zapier is the best option for you. Whereas if you are like a tech startup or a tech startup company with internal tools, custom APIs, and you need to handle data privacy as well, and you have a lot of power workflows, in that case then go for n8n will be the ideal options for you if you're that type of person. Hope this video helped.